Chord spacing between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. Okay, this is a TriloBone by my good friend and brother Surya in Borneo. You're going to do a 4-strand setup, Mad Max. I already showed you how the knot is supposed to come out. So this one, the cord, if you're using the same cord as your core and your weaving, it's going to face upward. And then your accent cord is going to be facing down within the loop of your Mad Max setup. All right, so let's begin. All right, don't mind this setup over here because it's because of the tutorial jig, but your regular Mad Max setup is going to be fine, or a buckle. All right, so let's begin. We're going to grab our right accent cord. We're going to go under and out through B. And then we'll take the cord to the right. We're going to grab our left accent cord. We're going to go under the core and out through B. And we'll put it to the left. If you want, throw it upward. Tighten it up. All right, now we're going to grab our right cord. We're going to go down through C and out through A. And this cord is going to be above your left one. All right, so we're going to grab our left cord, go out through A and down through C. So it's going to look like that. Okay, we're going to pull our right cord out through A, tighten it up, our left cord, pull it out through A, and then the slack, tighten it up, and make sure these loops stay even. Okay, now we grab our right accent cord again. We're going to go under and out through B. Up our left accent cord, go under, out through B, and to the left. Okay, once again, we grab our right cord. We're going to go down through C and out through A. And it's going to be above your left cord. We're going to grab our left cord. We're going to go under, out through A, and down through C. Okay, then we push up and start tightening. I'm going to pull the left cord out through A, pull the slack, the right cord. I'm just going to pull it and tighten it up a little bit. Okay, grab our right accent cord, go under and out through B. Push it out. Our left accent cord, we're going to go under, out through B, and to the left. Once you have the knot done, you can actually pull it, get a little bit tighter. We're going to grab our right cord. We're going to go down through C and out through A and above the left cord. Left cord. We're going to go under, out through A and down through C. And then we'll push it up and start tightening. Okay. Fold it out to A and pull the slack. We're going to grab our right accent cord. We're going to go under and out through B. And throw it to the back. Left accent cord, under and out through B. And throw it out to the left. Then one more. Going to grab our right cord. We're going to go down through C and out through A. We're going to grab our left cord. We're going to go under, out through A, and down through C. Push it up and start tightening it again. Right accent cord, under, out through B. Left accent cord, under, out through B. And continue to the end of the bracelet. Have fun.